And you can only get so far in your lean journey if you don't start to connect better with both customers and suppliers. So my question to you is, some of you are actually owned by a parent organization that impacts what you can do as well. So have any of you had positive or negative experiences with customers, suppliers, or parent companies relative to your lean transformation that you can share with us?
We went in as a team, top to bottom, and we all went through the same training. And of course, we couldn't all be there at the same time, so we broke off into 3 groups. We're open 24 hours a day, so we had an A group, a B group, and a C group. But we made sure that senior management was mixed in throughout, middle management was mixed throughout, so that we were all learning together as a team, and that was our approach.
We started with senior management. I went through a program first myself as CEO, and then the senior team. We all went through a program together because I had a lot of naysayers in my senior management team that we had to get over that first. And then everyone went through, and we did it in groups, and we had over 200 people, but everyone had to go through the training, and we did it in groups that combines all levels throughout the organization, and it was also a great opportunity to mix departments. So we had customer service and with folks from the factory floor and with folks from sales. I will say we've done it a different way at the company I'm on the board, and there is no one answer, but I'll say there is one clear thing: your CEO has to be trained.
It works better with a strategic supplier than if you're just kind of in a commodity, because you don't get the attention, you can't get the focus. But we had a strategic supplier. We had an issue with a part that was critical to the assembly of, quote, the end product that was being provided to the customer. And there was constant back and forth, how to resolve it, who's at fault, all that. But once they started to collaborate, I use the word, in a very positive, proactive way, because it's in the best interest of the supplier, it's in the best interest of our company at the time, and obviously to the customer, to get it right. And there's downside to all, and there's upside and benefits if we crack the code, if you will. So that I think by using some of the lean principles and the philosophy to get the right folks in the room, and again, map everything out and identify where the potential issues and resolution of those issues could be, it worked out very, very well. But I think the success of that was because it was a strategic supplier, as opposed to if it was just a commodity supplier and we just bought a couple of widgets and so forth. And we agree with that. We have more leverage, I think, when you have the vested interest of that party.
Raytheon specifically was a very important customer at True Corporation. And Raytheon, this was one of those things that's just a win-win, and Raytheon was so smart to do this. Raytheon went to its key suppliers and said, we want you to be a healthy supplier to us. Our success is related to your success. We need you to be successful. We're going to offer you lean, a reminder, a lean refresher. That was so amazing. So they created that opportunity for us. And how does True Corporation react to that ultimately? We would do anything for Raytheon. I mean, they made us feel important. They made us really appreciate the type of relationship that a supplier can have with its customer, and that the information that Raytheon was making this available was known throughout the company. So if somebody was working on the factory floor and they're working on something for Raytheon, they understood, they felt like they were part of something bigger because this was for that customer that was invested in the company's success. It was an amazing opportunity.